Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both the bike and phone. Make sure the NMAX ignition is off but the key in parking, and your phone has Bluetooth and the Y-Connect app ready. Open the app and choose Add Vehicle. It scans for nearby bikes. Once the bike appears, press and hold the bike's pairing button for 3 seconds until the dash indicator flashes. This establishes the initial handshake. Make sure to allow any permission prompts on your phone so the app can complete discovery and continue to the next step. Once the bike appears in the app, tap it and compare the PIN or verification code shown on the phone with the dashboard display. Confirm they match. This prevents wrong pairings. After you authorize, the app will request permissions for notifications and vehicle data. Grant these to enable call alerts, ride logs, and diagnostics. Then configure preferences like distance units, maintenance reminder intervals, and which notifications you want. This step links features to your profile, so the app captures ride data and alerts accurately. Finish by testing key functions. Start the engine briefly and verify the app shows speed, incoming calls, and notification pop-ups. This confirms live communication. Then take a short ride and check that the ride log syncs back to the app. Enable autosync so future rides save automatically. If something goes wrong, try basic troubleshooting. Restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and repeat the pairing sequence. If issues persist, reset the bike's communication module per the manual, then repair to clear any stale connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.